Hey, what's up everybody? This is going to be a video on how to get iMovie on an old Mac. I have a Mac OS, the software it has is Sierra, it's a late 2009 version. So with that being said, I tried to update to Mojave or Catalina and neither one of them will let me. So the computer is getting to that point where it's so old that they're not making software for it. It's almost going to be an unusable computer besides for internet and photo booth and that type of thing. So I'm just going to show y'all what it tells me when I try to go download these things. So as you can see, I cannot get iMovie, I cannot update my computer, so I will show you what to do next. Alright, so I will have the next page linked below because it took me over an hour to find, which is total BS. Anyways, I have iMovie 9.0.9 downloaded. You're going to go download this program Pacifist. You're going to go to Open Package in just a moment. And you're going to go to Applications, which is, I believe, where iMovie defaults when you download it. So you're going to go to Open. And it's going to pretty much extract all the files. And you're going to go to Contents of iMovie. You're going to go to it again, and then you're going to go to Applications. You're going to extract to custom location. And obviously put it on your desktop so you can find it. Alright, and then you're going to do extract. You're going to have to type in your password. video software. Thank you so much for watching. This pretty much wraps up the end of this video, and if you liked it, give it a like. If you like me, give me a subscribe. And if you don't want to miss out on any videos in the future, please turn on the bell notification. Alright, y'all.